Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In the heart of a tranquil park, under the shade of a majestic tree, we find our couple sharing a quiet moment on a bench. Today, they have brought their sketch pads and pencils ready to capture the beauty of their surroundings and the connection they share. With each stroke of our pencils, we bring to life the serene landscape, turning our thoughts and emotions into art. Nature is the inspiration, providing a peaceful backdrop for creativity and a moment of calm in a busy world. These simple moments remind us of the in slowing down, finding inspiration in the everyday, and sharing these experiences with someone we love. Join on this journey of creativity and love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more heartwarming moments and artistic adventures. Until next time, keep watching, keep creating. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.